In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to change email on Piggyvest app. Whether you're on Android device or on iPhone, all you just need to do, just log into your Piggyvest account. Then what next you're going to do, on the top right here, you can see this Piggyvest icon. Just click on that top right. You can see I'm going to take you straight to this page. You can see your name, profile picture, your email address, and also your phone number. So just click on edit profile. So you can see please wait. You can see editing your profile is disabled for now. Please try again later. So basically this is how you're gonna see it. You can't edit anything, right? But the best way you're gonna do is to contact the Piggyvest customer support. They'll be the one to allow you to change it, or to change it for you. You understand? So they're gonna change it for you. They'll be the one to change it for you actually. So they're gonna tell you what to do. So they ask you for some details. So once they ask you for some details and you provide all the details for them, then they will help you to change it. They will change your email for you as you want. They will change your phone number for you as you want. So that is how you can change your email on Piggyvest, or change your phone number on Piggyvest app.